Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best stream deck you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Fifine D6. Let's get started. Product feature. The heart of this device features 15 individual LCD macro keys, each with its own screen so you can assign specific commands and see exactly what you're pressing without ever needing to memorize complex shortcuts again. Bring your desk to life with vivid RGB lighting that creates a truly immersive atmosphere, making your gaming sessions more exciting and your live streams much more engaging for everyone watching from home. Express your unique style through the customizable icon design, allowing you to tailor how every button looks so your setup perfectly reflects your personal brand or creative personality while staying organized. Take control of your day by creating multitasking scenes that let you switch instantly between gaming, work, or creative projects, ensuring you always have the right tools at your fingertips whenever inspiration strikes. Keep your workspace clutter-free using the powerful folder function, which lets you group related commands and programs together for easy navigation during even the most fast-paced and intensive live streaming sessions. The Fifine D6 allows for the creation of tailored profiles, meaning you can have a specific layout for every different program you use, making your transition from a gamer to a professional smoother than ever before. This versatile tool is designed to adapt to your needs, providing a truly personalized experience that feels intuitive and helps you stay focused on what really matters, your creativity and your audience. Pros. You'll love how much time this saves you by putting all your favorite shortcuts in one beautiful place. The visual feedback from the LCD keys feels incredibly premium, and the vibrant RGB glow adds that perfect touch of magic to your desk. It's not just about speed, it's about making your creative process feel more joyful and less like a chore every single day. Cons. While it is very user-friendly, setting up all your custom icons and folders for the first time might take a little bit of patience. Also, because there are so many ways to personalize the interface, you might find yourself spending quite a while perfecting your layout to get it exactly how you want it. Final thoughts. Having a tool that understands your workflow can truly change how you feel about your daily tasks. The Fifine D6 isn't just a gadget. It's a companion that grows with you as a creator. It gives you the confidence to handle complex streams or projects with total ease. Investing in your setup is an investment in your passion, and this deck helps your talent shine brighter than ever. Your setup deserves this amazing upgrade. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video to stay updated on the best gear for your creative journey. See you next time.